Picture this. You're under the scorching sun. No rain. Plants are dry, and it hasn't rained in a long time. You're standing there, happy that it hasn't rained. Yes, without rain, you can do many sorts of things. But did you ever think, without rain, would it affect our Earth? Of course it would. It's a huge problem. Everything you just heard is called a drought. So, to prevent that from happening, grab your umbrella and let's take a walk to find out. You might be asking yourself, what are droughts exactly? Droughts are a lack of rainfall, which can cause our plants to be dry. But why so dangerous? According to my research, plants become dry and have a high chance to become really poisoned. Not only that, if there is a drought, taps, showers, and toilets will stop working due to water shortage. Droughts are one of the biggest problems in the world that has been caused by human activity. Here are ways to restore our Earth to its healthy condition once again. If you remember, I talked about if a drought happens, taps, showers, and toilets will stop working due to water shortage. During a drought, most people take shorter showers. When you're on a road trip, do you see those long sprinklers in farmers' fields? Well, an intelligent man named Frank Zybrack invented the first sprinkler irrigation that spit out water even though it was still raining. What a waste. But now, there's a smarter sprinkler system that spits out water even though if it needs watering or not. Droughts are a huge problem in countries which affect this generation and our Earth. Droughts can cause our plants to be very dehydrated, which reduces fruit production. But there's a solution to every single problem, including this one. People recommend planting crops like jade, aloe vera, cactus, and rosemary that do not need water. People who do not have a greenhouse usually plant their strawberries, tomatoes outside their garden. People usually add mulch to their plants to prevent insects from getting in. Not only that, mulch can also keep your soil moist and help plant growth. I would like to say some interesting facts before my speech ends. Did you know lakes, rivers, and wetlands hold 20-30% of global carbon dioxide? Did you know the longest drought to ever happen was 172 months, which means 172 months are equal to 14 years. Many of the warmest years on Earth have been recorded for the past 20 years. We are Generation Restoration. We are going to be the ones to get us far away from that edge. Here's a quote by John Muir. As long as we live, we'll hear waterfalls, birds, and the wind sing. We'll interpret the rocks, knowing the language of the flood, storm, and avalanche. I'll acquaint myself with glaciers and water gardens. Let's all get as close as we can to the Earth's heart as much as possible. We will all be able to experience that if we will be Generation Restoration. Asian elephants develop friendships with other elephants. Us humans can also develop friendships with our green and blue Earth. Instead of us hanging on the edge, just because of us and our reckless behavior, let's all help each other by saving this world, the environment, the animals, and us humans. Thank you.